Daddy gives her the hiccups.
Too much bourbon will do that every time. Mm. I'll teach you a lesson, Otis.
Maybe the lights made her stop hiccuping.
Could be.